You know, man, this is the best beer in the world, man. You understand, man?
Yeah, man.
So good.
Chak, man.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to the beach, and this is one of the beach here in Jayapura. It's around an hour away from my home, an hour or two, and right now we're going to the video type of fun. So
Will you take part in my life, my love? That is my dream. Life is but a dream. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. Life is but a dream. It's what you make it. Life is but a dream. It's what you. Life has its music. Life has its songs of love.
Alright, got to the beach. This is not the beach that I've been to, but it's good enough. I mean, I'm going to the beach. Sorry if I'm super pale, sunscreen. It's very good. Got here. I think we're going snorkeling, so I'll put some video clips of what it's like in the ocean and stuff like that. So it's a good time. A lot of people here enjoying my day. So hope it's a good weekend. What's up, bro? So we rented 2 pondoks right there. That's to place our food and stuff, and this is the local people. They run the place, and it's very, very, very cool, and I can't wait to go into the water. I've been in the water. I haven't been in the water for a bit, so see what that's gonna be like. So see you guys in the water. All right, before I show you guys the beach, I want to talk about this little thing. It's like a fish thing. I heard that it should be able to video the water really well. Like it should separate the water and stuff like that. I'm not really sure. We'll check it out. And also the other thing is I'm wearing super tight long pants and long shirt. And I heard that my dad actually told me that if you don't wear this kind of stuff, you go home itchy all over your place. And I've heard other people say that. So I'm gonna look like this. We're gonna go in the ocean and we're gonna go explore. Feeling really good, really pumped. Let's go. Alright, so we finished snorkeling around the beach. It was I think it was 2 hours of snorkeling, but the video I only took video with the GoPro very little because my movement was limited because I forgot my wrist thingy attached to the GoPro. So I have a free hand, so I had to hold on the GoPro the whole time, and I forget the thing that I can put on my head, so I don't have, so my hands are free. So I forgot those 2 things, but that's alright. I'll be here for another few months, so I'll probably see another beach anytime soon. And yeah, it was pretty fun, and it's a good stress relief from the city life, and it's just pretty out here, very pretty, and made me miss my whole traveling that I've been through the last few months. So it was a good thing, and I'll see you guys back at home. Alright, now I'm back at home. and it's pretty crazy. The beach, the snorkeling was a lot of fun, but I was with a new group of people and a new group of place, so I couldn't video as much as I wanted. I couldn't get the clips I wanted, but that's alright. Anyway, this video is going to end soon, but I'm gonna end you guys with a Sally push-up challenge. So Sally is actually they do it in the military, where you do a push-up according to the song, and when it says Sally up, you go up, Sally down, you go down, so your chest never touches the ground. And I'm gonna try to do that. I don't think I can do a whole lot because I just did some workout, a pull-up actually, so we'll see how that goes, because I'm integrating the Sally into my workout. Instead of doing normal push-up, I'm doing the Sally challenge. So it's gonna be 3 minutes, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. You'll see it, and if you want to do it, tag me so I can see what you do, and let's go. Wow, that was really tough. I didn't actually expect that. I haven't done it before, so that was my first time attempting that, and it's hell a lot of hard, because when you're going down, you're actually holding that tension, your chest tension, so that's hard. And I'm gonna do a progress video from now on until I can finish that song. So I think I stop around 1 minute or below a minute, and I want to finish that song. I want to be able to finish that song doing the push-up. So in the future there will be more videos of me trying to do that. And yes, so I'll end the vlog right now. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.